Welcome back to one another interesting vid on how the price action helps you to make profits. Today we are going to quantify the market. What is quantifying the market? Take a look at the histogram right in front of you. The histogram shows how the spikes of the price happens on each weekday. The spike, if you can observe, is more on Friday, and spike if you observe on Wednesday is lesser. This is one of the outcomes of seeing the market. Why am I calling this graph as a market? Because this graph is created out of the price action of Nifty 50 index. You can see the real price action here. This is last 1 year's data of Nifty index shares, close price, open price, high and low price. We have taken only the close price to find out the volatility for that particular index. And by using various other simple formulas, it's not very complicated. If you understand what is being done, you'll be wondering, is it this simple? Information, I got it when I was trying to find out how to use options. That is where I got introduced to this kind of quantitative thinking about the market. Pushing forward, if I can do such things for Nifty index shares, I can do similar kind of things for individual stocks also. What will I get if I do it for individual stocks? A very good question. When you are doing it for individual stocks, again you will know exactly on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday how the stock is usually acting. When you really understand how the particular stock is acting on each and every day of a week, you will be able to speculate what is happening in the backend. For an example, the Monday could be a place where most of the retail traders are coming into the market. The domestic and foreign investors are not at all trying to enter. And on Wednesdays, none of the traders are entering. Only the gamblers are there because there is not much of a spike because both are playing with each other. The gamblers who want to price to increase is playing with the gambler who wants the price to go down. And on Friday, the financial institutions and the domestic investors both ram into the market along with the retail investors and try to make the price either move up or down. Look at the story that is unfolding by just this simple graph. Once you create that, the confidence that you have will be tremendous. When you can know the players in the market in a particular day, there are various other websites where you can go and find more and more data. This is just the close price action of the past. Sentence that I'm going to utter next is very, very important. This is the price of the past. It doesn't mean that the future will be same. The future will always be different. All we can do by using these histograms is to know what is the odds of the market fluctuating in the way you want. When you see the odds are in your favor, like a game of poker, then you take a position. Further, we are going to see how these quantitative traders make money and who gives them money. Stay tuned for the next video.